I haven't done a bike check in a while, so this is my new frame. It's the BSD Alvx in trans blue, so I'll start in the front. Just the BSD Dan Palely slims, BSD Giraffic bars, BSD stem, shadow headset, shadow captive forks, BSD front street laced to shadow rim with shadow pegs and slicker sleeves. This is the WeThePeople smuggler seat, pocket in the back, and just a shadow seat post. BSD Sprocket with a shadow disaster guard, BSD substance cranks and shadow ravenger metal sealed with a BSD bottom bracket. And in the back it's a BSD tire, just like that one, twin Donna-squeaks with a shadow raptor freecoaster, laced to shadow rim, and a Colt 510 chain, and another shadow peg, and the BSD Alvx just came out. I got probably the first one that was actually in America. I've had it for a while, but been waiting on some new parts coming. Pretty nice, really short back end, so it's easier for spins and grinds and stuff. Alright, so comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.